Hello all. In this video, we will see how to write S expressions using CAR and CDR. So here is the question. You want to write sequences of CARs and CDRs that will pick the atom pair out of the following S expressions. Okay. So the first S expression given over here is this, right? And we wish to extract pair from this. Okay. So it's very simple. Let us imagine that this list is represented using L. Okay. Then if L is bound to this list, we wish to extract pair from this list. So in order to extract pair from this, what we can do is we are given the list. We first take its CDR. CDR will give us the list containing orange, pear, grapefruit. Then we will again take a CDR. That will extract a list containing pear and grapefruit. And finally, we can extract pear by using a CAR. Okay. Sure that pair will be extracted from the first list given. Okay. Similarly, in the next list, we wish to extract a pair, right? Now, if you look at this list contains two elements. First element is a list which contains apple, orange. Second is a list containing pear and grapefruit. We wish to extract the pear. So, given that list N, if we take a CDR, we will get a list which contains a list pear grapefruit. Then if we take a CAR on that will give us this list which contains pear grapefruit. And then if you again take a CAR, that will give us pear. Okay. Likewise, in the third case, if you look at this list contains one element. And that element itself is a list which contains four elements, and each element is a list which contains apple, orange, pear, and grapefruit. We wish to extract a pair from this list. So if the L is bound to that list, first we will take a CAR which will give us the first element, because the list only contains one element, so we get that element itself. Then we keep on taking a CDR which will give us list containing three elements: orange, pear, and grapefruit, list by themselves. Then a CDR on that will give us this list. Then a CAR on that will give us a list which contains pair, right? And finally, we take a CAR on that. So that will give us the pair. Right? In this next example here, is a list which contains 1, 2, 3, and 4 elements. Okay. Now, how we can extract a pair from this list? So we are given a list which will take a CDR, which gives us this, and then a CDR, which gives us this, and then a CAR, which gives us this list, and then a CAR, right? Which gives us a list containing pair, and then a CAR again. 3, 4, 5. Okay, the pair from the given list. In the second last example, if we wish to extract a pair from this list. Now this is a list containing 4 elements, right? So if this is the list which we have, we'll take a CDR which gives us the entire list except the first element, which is this. Then another CDR gives us this thing, and then a CAR, and this will give you a list which contains pair, and then a CAR again. 3, 4. Last case, we see that there is a list which contains only 2 elements. We wish to extract a pair from this. Right. So how we can extract a pair from this? So imagine if this is the list given to us. We take a car which will give us the first element of the list, which happens to be this whole element. And then we take a CDR on that, which gives us a list which contains pair, and then a CAR on that. Now, when we write these things, there is a shortcut also, that instead of writing CAR of CDR, look at the first one. Right? Instead of writing this whole thing, we can write it like CADDR of L. So possible. Likewise, you can give a short form for these examples as well. Okay. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.